Hi, I'm a Christian. First of all, I love Jesus. I'm amazed by what he did for me. I really want to be more like Christ. I make mistakes, sure, but I'm growing and changing every day. I sure have plenty of help. I have godly parents and youth leaders who are constantly pushing me. I go to the greatest youth group on the planet. It's a lot of fun, and I learn something new every week. I'm a Christian. This is my life.
It's not always like this, but it's okay. I pretend. Hi.
I'm
I'm a
Christian.
hypocrite.
First of all, I
do
love Jesus.
but
I'm
sometimes
amazed by
I
what
forget
he
what
did
he did
for
for
me.
me.
I really want to be more like Christ. I
know
make
it's
mistakes,
perfect,
sure,
but I think
I'm
I'm
growing
good
and
enough.
changing every day.
Not
I
everybody
sure
thinks
have
so.
plenty of help.
My
I have godly
parents
parents and youth leaders
are
who are
constantly pushing me. I
I
don't
go
see
to
what
the
the big
greatest youth
deal
group
is.
on the planet.
I go to
It's
church
a lot of
every
fun,
week,
and
with
I
the
learn
same
something new
old
every week.
brainwash.
I'm
I'm
a
a
Christian.
hypocrite.
This is my life.